Hello, teacher.
Hello, my dear. Happy Saturday.
Yes.
What did you do?
Play.
Oh, I see. What time did you wake up this morning?
Mm, yes.
What time did you
What?
wake up from sleep this morning?
Um,
Around 7 a.m. or 8 a.m.?
I see. I
Okay.
wake up at 9
Oh,
a.m.
9 a.m. 9 in the morning. Oh, okay. That's a long sleep and rest. Okay. Oh, by the way, my dear, what do you usually do during weekend? What do you usually do every Saturday?
I don't understand.
Okay, my dear, let me share my screen. Let us have this. Okay, what do you usually do during weekend?
Dạ, 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 dạ. Đi chưa ạ? Mấy ba anh nhỉ? Để cô điểm danh thế. Bye bye. Tí nữa vào đi. Để cô điểm danh thế. Đang điểm danh với cô giáo. Ôi cái không.
Okay, my dear. Okay, again, what do you usually do during weekend?
Bạn thường làm gì vào cuối tuần, thứ bảy hoặc chủ nhật?
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, my dear. Everything all right? Okay. Okay, again. Uh, Here. What do you usually do during weekend?
Bạn thường làm gì vào cuối tuần, thứ bảy hoặc chủ nhật?
I usually play sport.
Again, my
And
don't you have classes at the university? No? How about working? Do you have a part-time job? Okay.
ơi,
Do you, do you work part-time or as a full-time student?
I work at home.
Oh, what kind of work?
Yeah.
What kind of work do you do?
Mình nói
Okay, my dear. What kind of work do you do? Or part-time work?
I work at the waiter.
Okay, can you write it, my dear?
Yes.
Can you write it, please? I work at the cafe. Okay, I can't hear you clearly, my dear. Okay, can you write it for me?
I work at the coffee. This is big roll of
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you work in the morning or in the evening?
the morning do exercise.
Oh,
Evening to watch TV.
oh, I see. Okay, that is why you have to rest a lot. You have to sleep a lot. Okay, so you have energy to do your part-time job. Okay, that is nice. Okay, my dear, so I will share my screen now and we will continue our lesson. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 5. Okay. Okay, let's read this one, my dear.
Showing caution and when to commit extending the rest is enough.
Okay. Oh, by the way, let's put a translation here for you to, okay, easily get it. Okay, there's a translation here. Okay. Where is it now? Okay, my dear, here. Okay, you have to correct and complete the sentence. Okay, you try number 1.
Hey, where is you live?
Okay, letter.
Bạn sống ở đâu?
Letter A, right?
A.
Okay, where do you live? Okay, check. Very good. Number 2.
Number 4. A. B. I live in.
Okay, but this time, my dear, we don't use the word with ing. Okay? Okay, so instead, we use the base verb. Okay, again. I
live in London, English.
Okay, good job. Number 3.
Number 3. My house is number 3.
Letter.
At the car. In the car.
Okay, one more try.
Number
Letter.
C. Number C.
Letter C. In the coast. Okay, do you remember yesterday? Okay, it was on. Okay, it's okay. Again, my house is.
On the coast.
Yes, very good. My house is on the coast. Number 4.
Do you live? Number 8. Number 8.
Letter A. Okay. It's letter, my dear, letter. This is number. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. This is number.
Number 4.
Okay, yes, number 4. And this is letter.
Letter.
Yes, letter A, letter B, letter C. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Again, what is your answer for number 4?
Number 4, letter A.
Yes, letter A. What is the sentence? Do you?
You live in a house or a family?
Yes, good job. Very good. Next, number 5.
Number 5, letter A.
Okay, let's complete the sentence.
Number 5, letter A.
Okay, A. Let's read the whole sentence. It has a bedroom.
It has a bedroom, a kitchen, and a living room.
Okay, very good. Letter A. It has. Number 6.
Number 6, letter A.
Yes, correct. Letter A. Is your
Your house
house small? Very good. Number 7.
Number 7, letter C.
In letter C. In. Are you sure? One more try.
Number 7. My house is in a river.
Okay, but in is not the correct one. Okay, let's try one more time.
Number 7, letter B. By a river.
Very good. Okay, by a river. Okay, it's by. My house is by a river. Okay, good job. And the last one.
Number 8, letter A.
Very good. Okay, sorry. Very good. So what is this sentence?
What is your house like?
Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. That's how we create, okay, the sentence or questions. Oh, we have a dialogue here. Again, you will be Jim and I will be teacher. Okay, for now, let's read the answers here.
Where in East? room in have an
Okay, now let's complete. You have to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's put it here, the answers. Okay, number 1. Where do you live, Jim?
I live in one in have
Okay, what is your answer? Okay, you can choose here. Okay,
Yes.
is it really in it room? You can choose. Oh no, sorry.
room. I live in room apartment in Los Angeles.
Okay. Okay, that's not it, my dear. One more try.
I live in
Okay, here. Anne.
Yes.
I live
I live in an apartment in number
in
2.
Los Angeles, USA. Okay, again, this is Anne and this is in. Okay. In means you are part of Los Angeles. Okay. For example, you are in Vietnam. You are inside Vietnam. Okay. We use in if it refers inside. Okay. Okay, my dear, next. Where is your apartment in Los Angeles?
Where is your apartment in Los Angeles?
Okay. In, yes. In the suburbs. Okay, next. What is your home like?
It is quiet. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, a dining room, and living room. We have a garden and a garage
2.
too.
Very good. Okay. It is, yes, check. It is quite big. We have, yes, check. 3 bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, and dining room, check. Okay, very good. Next question. Is it a modern apartment?
Yes, my apartment is in mall. It's last area.
Okay, again, my apartment is, what is your answer?
Where
Really? Yeah. My apartment is really modern. Okay. Again, it's large.
my apartment is really modern. It's last area.
Yes, okay. My apartment is really modern. Okay, good job, my dear. Next exercise. You have to
Put your word into the concept of it.
okay. Now you have to correct the words into the correct order. Okay. Okay, for example, I live
in London, Ireland.
Yes, okay. I live in London, England. Very good. Okay, that's it. Number 2.
Do you live in an apartment? An apartment or a house? Or a house?
Very good. That's correct. Number 3.
Who you do with live? You. Who you do with live?
Okay, who you do live with? Is that it? Okay, but we have to change, okay, interchange here. Okay, you will okay, we'll put you here and do here. Okay, again.
Who you do? Who do you live with?
Yes, very good. Who do you live with? Okay, this is the correct. Who do you live with? Okay, correct. Number 4.
My apartment in my apartment on the coast.
Yes. Okay, you said my is apartment
On the
on the coast.
coast.
Okay. But there's a word you have to exchange. Okay, one more try.
My apartment on the coast.
Okay, one more try.
My apartment is on the coast.
Very good. That's it. That's the correct one. Okay, correct, my dear. My apartment. Okay, my apartment is on the coast. Okay. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is, okay, you have to interchange that. Okay, number 5.
Is your house?
Yes, okay. Is your house large? Very good. Number 6.
My house has a garden and a garage.
Yes, my house has a garden and a garage. Very good. Number 7.
My apartment my apartment is modern and light.
Yes, very good. My apartment is modern and light. Correct. Number 8.
I live in the city center.
That's correct. I live in the city center. Okay, good job. Okay, very good, my dear. Okay, let's continue. Let's move on here. Okay, oh, you will ask me and I will answer. Okay, number 1.
What town or city do you live in?
Okay, I live in a town in the Philippines. Okay. Number 2.
I live in a house.
Okay. Oh, you will ask me, my dear. Okay. You will ask me. Okay.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Okay. I live in My own house. Okay.
Where
Okay.
is your home?
Yes. Where is your home? My home is in a town far away from the city center.
What is your homeland?
Okay, my home is modern with uh, glass windows.
Is
Okay. Number 5.
your home dark?
Okay, here we go. Okay, let me write it here. My home is well lighted because of the glass walls or glass windows. Okay, okay.
Is your home modern?
Yes, my house is modern. Okay.
Hmm.
My house is modern. And the last one.
Cool.
Okay, my home is cold during cold weather, but uh, what do you call it? But dry during summer. Okay, that's it, my dear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's your turn to answer. Okay, I will ask you and you will also give your answer. Okay, number 1. What town or city do you live in?
I live in town in the city. Town.
Okay, again, my dear.
I live
Okay, sorry. I live in a town, right?
in
Okay. Also far away from the city?
from Vietnam.
Okay, okay. You can say I live in a town in Vietnam. Okay, very good. Next, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Okay. Okay, I live in a house. Number 3, where is your home?
My home is in Phú Nhuận,
My home is,
Phú Nhuận district.
oh, I don't know how to write that, my dear. Okay, I just hear district. Okay, can you write it for me?
Mm, Person.
Okay, let me see. Oh, none. Okay, HU none. Okay, how do you say that?
Phú Nhuận,
Oh,
Vietnam.
Hunan?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, okay, we have to write it again. Yes, okay. Let's move on to number 4. What is your home like?
Mm, My home is small.
What else?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can say my home is small but cozy or comfortable. Right? Okay, cozy and comfortable. Number 5, is your home light?
Yes. Yes. It is.
Yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Number 6, Is your home old?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How many years have you been living? Yes, my house is old. Okay, here, my dear. I will share again. Oh, no. Okay. How many years? How many years have
Mm,
you been
um,
living in your home?
I live in 18.
Oh, okay. You can say, I've been living here for 8 years.
I live in here
L-
in 18.
Okay. Living here for 8 years.
I live in I live in here for 18.
Okay, that's great. Very good. Okay, let's go back here. And the last one, is your home warm?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Oh, by the way, how many rooms does your house have?
Mm, there are five rooms.
Oh, and how many people are living with you?
There are 9 people in my
Oh,
family.
okay, very good. That is so lovely. Okay. Okay, my dear, very good. Now you know how to explain or express your ideas about where do you live. Okay. So for example, if you meet someone, a close friend, and ask you, Zhang, where do you live? Can you tell me about your home? Okay, let's try one more time. Zhang, can you tell me where you live and can you describe your home to me?
And I live in I live in my house. Yeah. I live in Hữu Nhân district. My house is small and comfortable. There are 9 people in my family.
What else? My
There are
house is comfortable and okay, continue.
there are five rooms.
Yes, very good. Okay, your friend will say, wow, that is a nice home with loving family. Okay, very good. So that's good. That's great, my dear. You now know how to share ideas about where you live and about your home. Okay, so I'm happy that you improve your sentence construction as well as pronunciation and how you express your idea. Okay, good job. Okay, my dear. So, oh, by the way, do you like reading books? Books. Do you like
Like
reading books?
mm, building.
Oh, okay. And by the way, you have a beautiful handwriting. I like your handwriting. Okay, it's so nice and beautiful. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's continue this tomorrow. Okay, we will continue on lesson number 2. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, my dear. Have a happy afternoon. Bye.